Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended lower on Friday after dismal macro data which came out after market hours yesterday. The Sensex was down around 1% today to close at 20,716 and the Nifty closed at 6,168. For the week, the markets were down around 1%. Yesterday after market hours, industrial output contracted sharply by around 1.8%. This was much higher than expected contraction of 1.6%. Also, consumer prices rose by 11.24% for the month of November. This may again weigh on Reserve Bank of India's decision on Wednesday next week and they may go ahead and raise interest rates by 25 basis points according to economists. However, another key data point which will be out before the RBI policy is the wholesale price index. Most economists polled by Bloomberg expect WPI to rise to around 7% for the month of November. Among individual stocks, Tata Motors, which saw a sharp plunge yesterday, rebound in trade. The stock gained almost around 3%. Wipro was up over 1% and Tata Steel advanced around 0.7%. The top losers on the Sensex were ICICI Bank and BHEL, which fell over 4% each. Among other stocks, GMR Infra was in focus today. The stock was down 2.2%, mainly on account of profit booking. The company is in focus for hiving off its airport assets in Istanbul and also may go ahead and list its airport business according to some news reports. Torrent Pharma shares were down 4% and Elder Pharma also fell 8%. Torrent was in the news because it has agreed to acquire Elder's pharmaceutical business in India and Nepal for around over 2,000 crore. Broader markets ended lower today as well. Now the focus will shift to the Federal Reserve meeting next week, which will determine when the US may go ahead and start tapering after the strong data and the fiscal deal which has been inked this week. Also, the wholesale price index data will be out before the RBI policy on Wednesday. All these events will determine market direction. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.